We got a lot to talk about. So, this is my first video in the past 2 weeks. I was doing daily videos, right? Pretty much recording my trading journey and stuff like that, but I pretty much dropped the ball on it. All right. Life be lifing, got busy, wasn't disciplined with creating content. And if we're being honest, I hate creating content in the first place, but it brings value to everybody who watch my videos and is good for business. So that's why I do it. Now, in this video, there's a lot to talk about because I'm coming up on my 4th year of trading, right? And every single year, I always have like some type of quantum leap, some type of mental adjustment that makes me a more mature trader. Like it's like a breakthrough. And this one is one that I'm very excited about because I feel like actually I know that I'm a successful trader with all confidence. And now it's just a matter of when, no longer a matter of if. I was watching this interview by Umar, right? And he was saying that by year 7, that's when he was confident and he knew that he can do this over and over again, right? Like he felt like from the time he started trading all the way to year 6, he didn't know if he can start from 0 again and build his trading account again. Like he was like, man, luck still has a part to play in this to a degree, like lack of better terms. But by year 7, he was confident that he can do it. For me, I feel like this is the year that I feel confident that I can do it. And my goals have adjusted crazy, right? Like this is the first time ever that I have a system that I accept loss expectancy, right? Win expectancy, the ups, the downs, things that I can't even understand why things happen, nor do I care that it happens. So I have a system that I fully accept. Then on top of that, my focus and my mindset has shifted completely. And with all that being said, right, this new mindset shift that I have, this new belief system that I have, like I've been focused solely on mastering consistency, right? Increasing my, discretion, right? Better discretion. And then only taking quality setups. That's it. Right. And these 3 things have been very important to me. And that's why I'm excited to show you these weekly reviews, because I've been doing a thing where I take my focuses and I perform one action. And that one action is one trade per day. It checks off all the boxes. Right. It's increasing my discretion, helping me master consistency. And then I have to decide what trade is worth taking, the quality of it. I have one bullet in the chamber. And I got to make sure that the shot counts because that's all I get. OK. And I've been doing this for 7 days and it's been phenomenal. I really want to do this till the end of the year just to get enough sample size till I can see, how it works. But I can say through my back testing, I've noticed that my best months came from most days that I only took one trade. So the more days that I've only taken one trade was always my best months. They were the biggest green months. And if they were red months, they were the smallest red months. Okay. And it's starting to show. So let's get into the weekly review, right? So I've taken 7 trades. Okay. I made $913 so far. I got my funded account July 24th, right? So 2 Thursdays ago. And my trade win percentage, this is my win rate. Okay. My win rate is 42.86%. I've won 3 trades out of 7 trades. I've lost 4 trades. Okay. And then we have profit factor. Anything over a 1.0 means that you have a profitable system. So the higher the profit factor, the more profitable your system is. So at the moment, I only have 1.66, but this will increase. This should also increase. I expect my trade win percentage to be at least 50 to 55% minimum. On the high end, 65%. Okay. So then we have the day win percentage. How many days were green? So because I'm only taking one trade per day, it's going to be the exact same percentage as my trade wins. Okay. So 3 green days, 4 red days, because I'm taking one trade per day. So it's going to be the exact same as my trade win percentage. And then we have the average win loss trade. So R multiple, in other words, on average, for every $1 that I lose, I make $2.21. But since I'm always risking $350 to make $700, my average is every $348 that I lose, I make $768, which I'm going to show you the magnificence of this. Okay, the beauty of it. So as you can see, in the month of July, I've traded 6 days. I've had 4 red days and only 2 green days. This is the beauty of the R multiple, because I ended the month with $115, 4 red days. And look how consistent it is. $364, $345 loss, $336 loss, $346 loss, and then $779 win, $727 win. And each day was 1 trade per day, and I still came out green. This is the beauty of mastering consistency, keeping the same risk, keeping the same profit target, the same entries, the same stop losses, doing the same monotonous thing, and then trading only 1 time per day. So now it's the highest quality. So even when I lose more, I'm still green. Granted, $115 is not a lot, but I've only traded 6 days out of the month of July. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And I know a lot of traders, and I was one of these traders. I know a lot of traders. If they were to get these back-to-back red days like this, the account is gone. Maybe even just the first red day, the account is probably gonna be gone. They're gonna go back, revenge trade, leverage up, because they gotta end on a green day. Like, it's a shall, they must. And that's another part of my trading journey that I feel like a lot of people don't touch on, is the fact they don't include time. Okay, like time is a big thing. Like I said, every year, every annual August, when we get into the month of August every single year, my trading skill takes quantum leaps. My mindset takes quantum leaps. My beliefs start advancing. They start getting better. They start believing in the proper things and understanding what kind of game I'm really playing. This is a game of probabilities, not a game of wins and losses. Okay. So that is the month of July. Okay. Now let's look at the trade time performance. This is key because trade time performance displays the times at which the trade occurred. So what time was it when I placed my trade? All of my winners were after 10 a.m. Like, the stock market opens up 9:30 Eastern time. Every winner was after 10 a.m. I have 2 losers down here that were before 10 a.m. So that just goes to show that could be an edge in and of itself, that I should probably wait the first 30 minutes. Now we got the trade duration performance, right? Like, how long did I hold my trades? Look at these 4 losers down here. I've held them significantly shorter than I did my winners here. Okay, so my longest winner I held for 2 hours and 20 minutes. Patience is key. And then my longest loser I've held for 26 minutes. The shortest duration for a loser is 8 minutes, and the shortest duration for a winner is 1 hour and 18 minutes. That just goes to show, and this is an edge in and of itself, this tells me that my losers should be almost immediate. And that's pretty good. So you don't want your losers to you don't want to hold your losers for long. Like, that's a whole cut the losers short, let the winners run, all that good shit. This is what this looks like. All right. So that's the month of July. 4 red days, 2 green days, 1 trade per day. It was much easier to be able to end on a red day because I'm finally starting to embody and believe in probabilities, not just think in probabilities. I know what probabilities are, but I believe it. So it's easy for me to end on a red day these days. Okay. And that's that quantum leap. That's major. I really think that I'm already a successful trader. It's a matter of when, not if no more. I'm already here. Now, the first day of August, right? Yesterday, Friday, 1 trade, $798. All right. So that was clutch, bro. Like, it's just one of those things. And now I'm up $913 with a less than 50% win rate. I've lost less than half of the days traded. My profit factor is only 1.66 for right now. And then my R multiple, or average win-loss rate, is 2.21. It's always beautiful to have a high R multiple. That's where wealth lives. Okay, high win rates, they're good, but high R multiple is where wealth lives. Okay, and then you can see my daily net cumulative P&L. So these are just healthy dips, and then the dips are the same size, and then it just keeps going up. Trading is a 1 step back, right? 2 steps forward game. 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward. You see what I'm saying? All right. And all of my drawdowns are recovered within one winning day. That's the beauty of it. And I want you to take this with you. A trader's job is to collect small wins, small losses, and break evens until we get those trades that our system, our setup yields us an average to above average return that will push our accounts forward. So just remember that you got to stay in the game long enough to collect these small wins, small losses, and break even trades for that day, right? Maybe it's once a week, maybe it's once every 2 weeks, that actually pushes your account forward, because every day's not going to be that day. You just got to stay alive long enough to see it. Okay. So yeah, that was my weekly review. This is something that I'm going to try my best not to drop the ball on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, took something away from it, and I'll see you on the next one.